Hi guys, welcome to a brand new video on my channel, Color Architecture and Interior Design. So today I'm going to tell you about 5 super functional and multi-purpose furniture pieces which I found from Ikea and have been using in my home. So let's get into the video. So this first furniture piece is a side table. It is quite stylish and very sturdy because it's made of metal, and the best part about it is that it has storage inside. I actually use it to store my cushions, quilts and nowadays toys. It goes perfectly with my home. Next are these amazing set of nested tables. The shades of grey are the perfect shades for any Scandinavian home. Again in metal, being very sturdy, and when guests are around, they're so useful. And the best part is that the last table actually has sleek storage in it. Next is this very useful trolley which was originally bought for my kitchen, but I ended up using it for my baby. It's perfect for those diaper changes anywhere in the house, and it contains all the essentials which are required for my baby. Next is the Sofacumbed bed. This is my most favorite purchase from Ikea. It is so functional. It actually has 3 drawers for storage of those extra quilts and cushions and of course toys. I love both the settings when I can convert it into a sofa while watching TV, or if I want more space in the room for my baby to play, and of course a bed for those occasional guests coming in. And lastly, these super cute center tables which are again nested, great for space saving for my small little living room. I hope today's video was useful. As a designer, finding such pieces is extremely important to me. As a mom, having multi-purpose and functional pieces is so important for my home. So I hope it was helpful. Do let me know your views in the comment section below. Do like and share my video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.